really want to reduce the size of your belly? Has all that belly fat increased lately, and you feel you can't control it, or get rid of it? Or do you just want to feel generally healthier? Well, we are going to give you the ingredients to make a smoothie that will not only help reduce weight, but also regulate your cholesterol level and improve your general well-being. So what's in the smoothie? It mainly consists of oats and papaya. These two ingredients are natural medicine, full of nutrients, helping to reduce cholesterol, lose weight, and fight diabetes. When added together, they can help to prevent many other diseases. So what are these ingredients and what are the benefits? The papaya is a soft fleshy fruit that is native to Mexico. However, it grows naturally in the Caribbean and Florida too. It is well known to be an exotic and rare fruit but is now available throughout the whole year. It can be added to salads, smoothies, and other dishes. It has many health benefits, and consuming papaya can reduce the risk of heart disease, diabetes, cancer, and will help with digestion. It's also a great laxative. People with diabetes have shown that it reduces their glucose levels. It can also improve wound healing and lower blood pressure. It is thought to play a protective role in eye health, and it may ward off macular degeneration. Papaya is full of vitamins A, C, and B. Oats are rich in fiber and one of the healthiest grains on the planet. They are better known for eating as porridge for breakfast, and as oat cookies or oat cakes. Over the past few years, oats have been recognized as a popular health food. As with papaya, oats are full of minerals, antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, and are gluten-free. It's been shown in studies that eating oats and oatmeal can lower blood levels, help with losing weight, reduce the risk of heart disease by reducing fat in the blood, and it can lower sugar levels. So, let's make this smoothie. Just get 1 cup of plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of oats, 1/2 cup mashed papaya. If you want to lose weight, use low-fat yogurt. Add all the ingredients to a blender, and blend until smooth. To get the full benefits of the nutrients, drink the smoothie straight away. This smoothie can be your new breakfast, and if drunk every morning, you will notice the difference in your health and weight within a few weeks. Many thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more natural healthy cures, click on the subscribe button below.